Severe storms and tornadoes have claimed more than 24 lives across the central U.S., with at least 19 people dead in Kentucky, 7 in Missouri, and 2 in Virginia. Another round of dangerous weather is expected this week. The U.S. National Weather Service is warning of intense storms, large hail, extreme heat, and heavy mountain snow. Communities still recovering from last week's deadly weather remain at high risk.
So far, we have no reports of injuries or fatalities, which is incredible. But we're still checking all houses and trying to account for all the residents.
I'd say relieved that it didn't just take the whole town with it. And I've grown up around here, and it'd be weird with it gone.